Sushanraj, right? Madras. Okay. What about Punjab? Punjab region, what system? Punjab region. Magalwari, very good, Tarun Prabhu. In Punjab, Magalwari system, Madras and Coorg, Raitwari system. Okay, I am repeating the previous session's question. Who wrote Neel Darpan? Who wrote Neel Darpan? Neel Darpan book. Deen Bandhamatra, very good, Sandhya. And it portrays what? Portrays Neel Darpan speaks about. Neel Darpan speaks about Sasikant, welcome. Indigo Revolt, very good. Dinabandhu Mitra wrote the Neel Darpan, which portrays Indigo Revolt. Okay. Patua style of painting belongs to which state? Mainly belongs to which state? Patua. P-A-T-U-A. Patua style of painting is prominently seen in this state. Haryana, no, Dilipan. West Bengal, very good, Gokulraj. West Bengal, Patua style of painting belongs to Bengal region, West Bengal region. Okay. Okay. Pandit Ramabai created three prominent organizations. Prominent organizations started by Pandit Ramabai. You have to tell that. Arya Mahila Samaj, very good, Tabavindu. Arya Mahila Samaj. Other two. Very good, Tarun Prabhu, very good. Okay, three. Sarada Sadhan, one. Arya Mahila Samaj and Mukti Mission. Okay. Pandit Ramabai created three prominent organizations: Sarada Sadhan, Arya Mahila Samaj, Mukti Mission. Okay. Another question. Chins, C-H-I-N-T-S, chins. The terms chins, Kosasas, Bandhana refers to the terms chins, C-H-I-N-T-Z, Kosasas, Bandhana refer to. These are all what? Cloth, very good, Aravindan. The term chins, Kosasas, and Bandhana refer to the types of cotton clothes produced in India. Types of cotton clothes produced in India. It is one of the repeated questions. Chitrakoti waterfalls, source river. Chitrakoti waterfalls, source river. It's already I asked in previous session. Chitrakoti waterfalls, source river. Chittar. No, Chittar is Kutralam. That Indravati, very good, Aravindan. Chitrakota waterfalls, Indravati river. Okay. Next question is Niagara waterfalls of India, which is called as Niagara waterfalls of India. Jog Falls or Jesso Falls, not the answer. No, Ramya. Niagara waterfalls of India. Very good, Aravinda. It's the same Chitrakoti Falls is the Niagara waterfalls of India. The same Chitrakoti Falls is the Niagara waterfalls of India. Okay, I will tell you the four names. You should tell how they are related. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, B.G. Tilak, V.K. Chiplungkar, Madhav Rao Nam Joshi. How they are? These four persons are related. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, B.G. Tilak, V.K. Chiplungkar, Madhav Rao Nam Joshi. They home rule. They have created an organization, an initiative. They together done the initiative. They formed something. These are all founding members of this movement. I am asking about some initiative, organization like that. Kesari paper. Okay. No. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, B.G. Tilak, V.K. Chiplungkar. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is a Deccan Education Society. They are the prominent members in the Deccan Education Society. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, B.G. Tilak, Chiplungkar, Madhav Rao. Okay, it's somewhat difficult only. Okay, Magalwari system introduced under Lord William Bentinck, under the patronage of Lord William Bentinck. Who is the main person responsible for the Magalwari system? It is under the patronage of, very good, Holt McKinsey. Sushanraj, very good. Holt McKinsey under Lord William Bentinck, Magalwari system was introduced. These are all, you have to tell the term. These are all people migrated from Afghanistan. They were the mountain Muslims living in present day Uttar Pradesh. They are basically from Afghanistan, migrated long back. They are the mountain Muslims living in the present day Uttar Pradesh. Patuns, a very good guess, but I need the proper name. Pathans, these are all from those region, but here we call them as this word, starting with R. Okay, I will tell you the answer is somewhat difficult only. They are called Rohillas. Okay, Rohillas were the mountain Muslims present in Uttar Pradesh, migrated from Afghanistan. They are Rohillas. Okay, Rohillas. Okay. Dash is the only state producing tin. Dash is the only state producing tin. Rajasthan, no. Only state producing tin. Very good. Chhattisgarh. Okay, Aravindan, very good. Chhattisgarh is the only state producing. Chhattisgarh is the only state producing tin. Okay. Another simple question. Dash curve explains the relationship between the rates of unemployment and corresponding rate of inflation. Dash curve explains the relationship between rate of unemployment and Phillips curve. Very good, Sushant Raj. Phillips curve explains the relationship between rate of unemployment and the corresponding rate of inflation. Okay. Another simple question. Fiscal deficit minus interest payments equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment equal to primary deficit. Very good, Ramya. Primary deficit is difference between the fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Okay. What is twin balance sheet syndrome? Twin balance sheet syndrome. Very easy question. No need to think. Twin balance sheet syndrome. A very familiar current. Very good. What current? You are somewhat deviating, I think, Ramya. There are similar terms like that. You have to be very distinguished between the two. No, what Tava Hindu is saying, twin deficit. Okay, what Tava Hindu, twin deficit. What you are saying, Pavitran? No, you are out of the context. Twin balance sheet syndrome. I will tell you the answer. The twin balance sheet syndrome means the company balance sheet will be in trouble, so that bank balance sheet also will be in trouble. Okay, bank balance sheet also will be in trouble. Company balance sheet will also be trouble. Both will be there. It is called twin balance sheet syndrome. Financial stress faced by public sector banks and large corporate houses. This is twin balance sheet syndrome. What you people are telling is called twin deficit. Fiscal deficit plus current account deficit. These both will occur simultaneously. That is twin deficit. What I asked is twin balance sheet syndrome. That is financial stress faced by the public sector banks and the large corporate houses. Okay, you have to distinguish between these two. Okay. World Press Freedom Index. Everybody knows. World Press Freedom Index. Very good, Tawavindo. Reporters Without Borders. Reporters Without Borders is World Press Freedom Index. Okay. Largest island in the Pacific. Largest island of Pacific. Largest island of Pacific. Largest island of Pacific. New Guinea. Very good, Tirumavalam. New Guinea. Largest island of Pacific is New Guinea. Okay. What are the two major components of liquidity adjustment facility? What are the two major components of liquidity adjustment facility? LAF. Or very good, Ramya. Repo rate and reverse repo rate. Okay. Repo rate and reverse repo rate are the two major components of liquidity adjustment facility. Another easy question. Core banking solution platform of RBI. Ram Kumar, welcome. Core banking solution platform of RBI. Core banking solution platform of RBI. What is the name? Very easy. eKuber. Very good, Tirumavalam. eKuber. Okay. Core banking solution platform of RBI. eKuber. Okay. eKuber. Okay. Another easy question. Dash is a situation in which both inflation and unemployment levels are high. Dash is a situation in which both inflation and unemployment levels are high. Stagflation. Very good, Ramya. Stagflation is a situation in which both inflation and unemployment levels are high. Okay. We'll move to next question. And there is a National Infrastructure Investment Fund, NIIF. There is stakeholders, no? That how many percent the government will contribute and how many percent private sector will contribute. NIIF, National Infrastructure Investment Fund, under the SEBI. Shareholding ratio, 39 government. You have changed the number, I think, one number in that changed. 49, very good, Dilipan. 49% is government contribution and the 51% private sector. 49% government, 51% private sector, national infrastructure and investment fund. Okay. New agenda coalition. Very good, Tabanpu. New agenda coalition related to dash. New agenda coalition related to dash. Nuclear, very good, Aravind. It is a subset of, it is the countries who signed the National Proliferation Treaty, NPT. Under this, there is a separate group called New Agenda Coalition. They advocate nuclear disarmament. It is a subset of nuclear. The countries signed the Nuclear Proliferation Treaty, formed the New Agenda Coalition for nuclear disarmament. Okay, Aravindan is a very good potential candidate. Okay. What is the mission to study the asteroid Bennu? Asteroid Bennu, there is a mission by NASA. Very easy. OSIRIS, very good, Tabavindu. OSIRIS-REx, initiative of NASA, space probe that carries out exploration to study in the asteroid Bennu. Okay. Volcanic mountain, Sinabang. Okay. Sinabang, which country? Sinabang, Mount Sinabang volcanic. Volcanic means this country, one of this country. Volcanic Mount Sinabang. Okay, if I give clue, you will identify the Sabang Port. Sabang Port, Sinabang, Indonesia. Very good, Tirumala. Sabang Port also present in Indonesia. Mount Sinabang also present in the Indonesia. Okay. Another tricky question. World Wildlife Crime Report. Okay, World Wildlife Crime Report released by World Wildlife Crime Report released by World Wildlife Crime Report released by. Very good, Aravindan. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. World Wildlife Crime Report. Okay. Which organization is called as London Club? Which organization is called London Club? Which group? Marine, what? Marine. London Club. Which group is called also called London? It's a famous question. You should not think. Nuclear related. Yes. Tell me, Dilipan. London Club. It's a very famous question. You people are struggling. Is not good. NSP, what NS? You have to type properly. What you are saying, right? It is nuclear supplier groups. NSG, okay, is also known as London Club. NSG is also known as London Club, nuclear supplier group. What is Coffee Club? What is Coffee Club? The other name for Coffee Club, or what is the purpose of Coffee Club? These are all famous terminologies. Very good, Ramya. The very good, the United Nations Security Council expansion is opposed by the Coffee Club. They are also called as Uniting for Consensus. Okay, Uniting for Consensus are also called as Coffee Club. The primary objective is to oppose the expansion of United Nations Security Council. London Club is called as the Nuclear Supply Groups is also called as London Club. Only members of Dash can become member of World Bank. Only members of Dash can become the members of World Bank. Very good, Ramya. Only members of IMF can become a member of World Bank. Only members of IMF can become a member of World Bank. Okay. In the nuclear power plant, there is a terminology which refers to the balance of neutrons in the system. We have to tell the term. In the nuclear power plant, a technical term refers to the balance of neutrons in the system. It is called as Enrichment is somewhat you are near. Is a good guess, but I need the proper term. Okay, it's somewhat difficult only, science and technology. It is refers to criticality. Okay, criticality refers to the balance of neutrons in the system in the nuclear power plant. Criticality. Okay. Another easy question. Currency which is most stable in nature, which do not fluctuate, is called dash currency. Currency which is most stable in nature, which do not. Very good, Gokulraj. Hard currency. Okay, hard currency. Annual festival in Kamakya Temple, Guwahati. What festival? Annual festival in Kamakya Temple, Guwahati. What festival? Very easy question. I am repeating. Ambubachi. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. Annual festival in Kamakya Temple, Guwahati is Ambubachi festival. Okay. Dudhsagar Falls. What is the source river? Repeated question. Dudhsagar Falls. What is the source river? Repeated. Highly repeated question. Mandovi or Magadai. Very good. Dudhsagar Falls, Mandovi river. Okay. The most famous Shaga ruler in India. Most famous Shaga ruler in India who also repaired Sudarshana Lake. Repeated, highly repeated question. I am repeating several times. Rudradaman one. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. Okay. Eye-hole inscription. Composed by eye-hole inscription composed by eye-hole inscription composed by eye-hole. Very easy question. Ravi Kirti. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Eye-hole inscription composed by Ravi Kirti. It praises the king of dash. Ravi Kirti is a quote poet of this king. Pulikesitu. Okay. Junaid, welcome. Your first time I'm seeing Junaid. Pulikesitu. Ravi Kirti is quote poet of Pulikesitu. Okay. In that eye-hole inscription, the two famous poets' name is mentioned. In the eye-hole inscription, two famous poets' names is explicitly mentioned in the eye-hole inscription. Kalidasa, very good. Another one is Kalidasa. Another one, Tarun Prabhu. Tarun Prabhu is today answering very well. Kalidasa, and the another one I will tell. Somewhat difficult. Baravi. Okay, Baravi poet. His name also mentioned in the Baravi. Baravi Prabhu. Kalidasa and Baravi. Okay. Jain version of Ramayana. Jain version of Ramayana is dash. That book, Jain version of Ramayana. The same Ramayana in the eyes of Jainism. There is a book. It is somewhat difficult question only. Jain version of Ramayana. Jain version of Ramayana. So, okay, I will tell you the answer. No guess. Okay. Paumacharyam. Okay. Paumacharyam is the Jain version of Ramayana. Paumacharyam. All of the, very good, Dilipan. Paumacharyam, Jain version of Ramayana. Who designed the Indian national emblem? Please listen the question. Who designed the Indian national emblem? Okay. Who designed the Indian national emblem? The very good Sandhya, Dinant Bhargava. A very potential candidate. Sandhya, Dinant Bhargava, design of the Indian national emblem. Okay. National Pledge of India. We say all brothers are my sisters. Like that. Originally composed in dash language. National Pledge of India. Originally composed in dash language. Telugu, very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. The National Pledge of India originally composed in the Telugu language. Who composed the National Pledge of India? Who composed the National Pledge of India? Very good, Tarun Prabhu. Pidimari Subbarao Venkata Subbarao. Okay, Pidimari Venkata Subbarao. Okay, a very difficult question. Tarun Prabhu answered it correctly. Pidimari Venkata Subbarao. Okay. Razam Nama. Carefully listen. Razam Nama, Persian translation of dash epic. Razam Nama, Persian translation of dash epic. That is, most people will do mistake saying Ramayana. It is Mahabharata. Aravind, very good. Mahabharata. Okay, it will be opposite. Razam Nama is the Persian translation of Mahabharata. It is not Ramayana. Please keep it in mind. Razam Nama is the Persian translation of Mahabharata. Okay, there is a medieval India term, Jins I Kamil. There is a medieval India came. Jins, Jns, Jins I. Kamil, Kamil. Jins I Kamil. What it is mean? Jins I Kamil. Jins I Kamil. It is somewhat difficult question. I accept. Okay. Revenue relaxation bad month. So, no. I will tell you the answer. Jins I Kamil means cash crops. Okay. Sugar cane, tobacco. These are all Jins I Kamil. Cash crops. Okay. Jins I Kamil. Okay. Like that as another term I will say. Hak I Sharab. H-A-Q-Q. Hak I. S-H-A-R-A-B. Sharab. Hak H-A-Q-Q-I. Sharab. S-H-A-R-A-B. Very good turn, proper irrigation take. Hak I Sharab is irrigation tax. Hak I Sharab is irrigation tax. Okay. Another easy question, highly repeated. One of the Magadha Janapadas located in the south of India. One of the Magadha Janapadas located south of India. Asmaka, very good, Ramya. Asmaka are the another term is we also used Asmaka. I forgot Asmaka or Asaka. Both are same. Asmaka or Asaka. Okay. Another easy question. Vakya Navis. What is the position? Vakya Navis. Medieval Indian term, ancient medieval. Vakya Navis. Vakya Navis. WAQIANIAVAS. Already many people told that. Kadir Mission also told that, right? Peshwa, no, they are going out of the context. It is one of the Ashtapradhan, I think. Vakya Navis. Ashtapradhan of Shivaji. Treasurer, no Pavitran. A very easy question only, somewhat easy only, not that much difficult. Okay, justice no. Vakya Navis is a news writer. Okay, Vakya Navis is news writer. They will record all these things. Another question. Siraj of the East. Siraj of the East. Welcome, Ramkumar. Siraj of the East. Which city? Siraj of the East. Actually, Siraj is in Iran. Like that, Jaunpur. Very good, Tirumala. Jaunpur. In which state Jaunpur is located? Jaunpur is located in which state? Jaunpur, Shiraz of the East is the right answer, but located in which state? Jaunpur. UP, very good, Ramkumar. Jaunpur is located in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. The first Islamic tradition architecture on current scientific line was dash. The first Islamic tradition architecture on current scientific line was dash. First Islamic tradition. Alai Darwaza, very good, Kadir Vishnu. Alai Darwaza. The first Islamic tradition architecture on current scientific lines was Alai Darwaza. Tiva jewelry belongs to which state? Tiva, T-H-E-W-A. Tiva jewelry belongs to which state? Tiva jewelry belongs to which state? Tiva jewelry belongs to which state? Arunachal. Rajasthan, very good, Aravindan. A very good candidate. Tiva jewelry belongs to Rajasthan. Tiva jewelry belongs to Bidri metal craft. Bidri, B-I-D-R-E. R-I. Bidri metal craft belongs to which state? Bidri. Bidri place also there. Bidri. Bidri metal craft. Karnataka. Very good, Aravindan. Bidri metal craft, Karnataka. Okay. I will tell you the name of the book. You have to tell the author name. Okay. Karpura Manjari. Very famous book. Karpura Manjari. Who wrote Karpura Manjari? Who wrote Karpura Manjari? Rajasekhara. Very good, Aravind. Karpura Manjari, Rajasekhara. Another somewhat difficult question, I think. Pavana Butta. A book called Pavana Butta. Written by Pavana Butta. Somewhat difficult ancient and medieval terms, medieval books. Pavana Butta. Okay, I will tell you the answer. I think it is somewhat difficult. Pavana Butta is Doi. D-H-O-Y-I. Doi. Pavana Butta, the author is Doi. T-H-O-Y-I. Doi. Pavana Butta. Okay. Next question is Harivamsa Purana. Written by Harivamsa Purana. Written by Harivamsa Purana. Written by. These are all somewhat difficult only. Harivamsa Purana. Jinasena. Very good, Aravindan. Jinasena Suri wrote the Harivamsa Purana. Jinasena Suri wrote the Harivamsa Purana. Okay. Nai Sada Charita. Who wrote Nai Sada Charita? Who wrote Nai Sada Charita? Nai Sada Charita. N-A-I Sada S-A-D-H-A Charita. Nai Sada Charita. It is again very good, Ram Kumar. Sri Harsha. Okay. Nai Sada Charita written by Sri Harsha. Okay. Very good. Author Rajasekara wrote the Karpura Manjari. Doi D-H-O-Y-I. Doi wrote the Pavana Butta. Jinasena Suri wrote Harivamsa Purana. Sri Harsha wrote Nai Sada Charita. Okay. Another easy question. Bojaka. Okay. Bojaka is a term denotes Bojaka. Bojaka term, village government, very good consideration. Okay. Panchamagal is a 5-storied place built by Panchamagal, a 5-storied place. Panchamagal is a 5-story place built by Akbar, very good consideration. Where it is located, Panchamagal? I need the place. No, state you are saying, but it is also not correct. But I am saying the Fatehpur Sikri, okay. Fatehpur Sikri, where it is located? Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri, where it is located? UP, okay. Panchamagal, a 5-storied building, is located in the Fatehpur Sikri, built by Akbar. Another easy question. Varli painting state. Which state belongs to Varli painting? No need to think. Maharashtra, very good contribution. Tribal paintings are Maharashtra Varli painting. Who compiled the Adi Granth? Sikh Guru. Sikh Guru compiled Adi Granth. Sikh Guru. Arjun Dev. Okay, Arjun Dev. Okay. Compilation of Adi Granth, Arjun Singh Dev. Okay, Arjun Dev. Okay. Construction of Golden Temple. Construction of Golden Temple. Ranjit Singh. Okay, Ranjit Singh. I am saying the main Sikh Guru responsible for the construction of Golden Temple. Hargobind Purana. No. I will tell you the answer. Guru Ramdas. It is highly repeated. I told several times. Guru Ramdas. Construction of Golden Temple. Ranjit Singh, the main Sikh Guru responsible in the construction of Golden Temple is Guru Ramdas. Okay. Another one easy question. You have to tell the place. I will give you the explanation. One of the lowest altitude in India. One of the lowest altitude in India. Well known for vast paddy fields. Well known for vast paddy fields. You are somewhat near. A very good contribution. They are declared as the globally important agricultural heritage system by the FAO. It is Kuttanad, Kerala. Okay, Kuttanad, Kerala, one of the lowest altitude in India, well known for vast paddy fields, declared as globally important agricultural heritage system, declared by FAO. Okay. I will tell you the falls. So you have to tell the source river. Duandar Falls. Duandar Falls. Highly repeated. Duandar Falls. Duandar. Narmada. Very good. Duandar Falls. Narmada. Okay. Bimbetka rock shelters are present inside this protected area. Tiger Reserve. Bimbetka. Ratapani. Very good. Bimbetka rock shelters are present inside the Ratapani Tiger Reserve. Present inside the Ratapani Tiger Reserve. Okay. Tell me the orange city of India. Orange city of India. Orange city of India. Nagpur. Very good. Orange city of India is Nagpur. Orange city of India is Nagpur. Okay. My next question is Tiger capital of India, which is known as the Tiger capital of India. Tiger capital of India. No, I am asking the place. Tiger capital. Capital means you have to tell some place. Very good, Ram Kumar. It is again Nagpur. Okay. Tiger capital of India also Nagpur. Orange city of India also Nagpur. Okay. We are moving to next question. Winter capital of Maharashtra. Winter capital of Maharashtra. Which is the winter capital of Maharashtra? No, Nashik. No. No, Nashik. Winter capital of Maharashtra. Same. Very good, Sandhya. Orange city of India is Nagpur. Tiger capital of India is Nagpur. Winter capital of Maharashtra is Nagpur. Okay. Orange city, Tiger capital, winter capital, all are Nagpur. Okay. Swiss formula is associated with which organization? Swiss formula is associated with which organization? Swiss formula is associated with which organization? IMF, no. Major, prominently associated with this organization. Swiss formula. It is very good, Arvind. It is related to tariff reduction in those areas. Swiss formula issues. This is mainly associated with WTO. Okay, mainly associated with WTO. Okay. ITCZ, also known as dash. ITCZ, intertropical convergence zones, is also known as dash. Low pressure. No, I am telling some terms you tell. Very good, Prasad. Doldrums. Okay, ITC is also known as doldrums. Low pressure also, it is the property. Okay, doldrums. ITC is doldrums. We are in last session, last period of our today's session. Only 5 minutes remaining. Okay. Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary. Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary state. Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary. JESSORE, Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary. Some guess you why nobody is Gujarat. Very good, Ramkumar. Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary is present in Gujarat. Okay. We are going to next question. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. Gujarat. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Jessur Sloth Beer Sanctuary also located in Gujarat. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary also located in Gujarat. Okay. Okay. Bhavai, important folk theatre of dash state. Bhavai, very famous. Bhavai, important folk theatre of dash state. No, prominently associated. Gujarat. Very good, Gokul Raj. Bhavai, important folk theatre of Gujarat. Okay. Bhavona, Bhavona, which state? Bhavona, which state? Bhavona, important folk theatre of Assam. Very good. Okay. You have to distinguish between them. Bhavai, Gujarat. Bhavona, Assam. Okay. Don't confuse between these two things. Diamond quadrilateral is associated with what? Diamond quadrilateral. Diamond quadrilateral. Road, that is golden quadrilateral, Dilipan. What your road is? Golden quadrilateral. Freight transport. What exactly hit the bull? Railways, very good. Diamond quadrilateral is railway connections. Okay, railway connections. Golden quadrilateral is road connections. Okay. Zabo farming. Satye Bivo Zabo is a water harvesting technique practiced mainly in the state of Dash. Water conservation. Nagaland, very good, Gokul Raj. Similar to that, Agar Pinus. Agar Pinus, the water conservation method mainly practiced in which state? Agar Pinus. These are all repeated questions. Agar Pinus. Bihar, very good, Arvindan. Agar Pinus, Bihar. Okay. The Hutti, Hutti, Hutti is a place in Karnataka, and Ramgiri in Andhra Pradesh are associated with the dash. The Hutti is a place in Karnataka. The Ramgiri, gold mine, very good, Prasad, gold mine. The Hutti in Karnataka and the Ramgiri in Andhra Pradesh are associated with gold fields. There are gold fields. Okay. Okay. With reference to tourism in India, you tell me about the desert triangle. What are the desert triangle? The three places. Desert triangle. With reference to tourism. You tell me the state and Bikaner, very good. Tirumala, Bikaner is correct. Jaisalmer correct. Another one is very good, Aravindan. Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer. They are present in the Rajasthan. This is a desert triangle. Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer. Okay, in Rajasthan. Okay. I think we are in the end of the session. Okay, Kumbh of the Himalayas. This is the festival called the Kumbh of the Himalayas. This is the last question. Which festival? Kumbh of the Himalayas. Naropa. Very good, Kadirvashan. Naropa. Celebrated in the Ladakh region. Kumbh of the Himalayas. Okay, with this, we are winding up the session. We will meet again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, one and all. And Thank you, Tarun Prabhu. Only 20% are participating. Kindly spread the word so that more people can participate. Okay, I'm closing the session. Learns now very good, Sandhya. Very potential candidate. Thank you, Pavitra. Okay, bye. Signing off. Bye.